Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong with dice. This exciting variant brings the essence of Mahjong to a compact, dice-based format. It's a fantastic way to enjoy the strategic fun without needing a full set of tiles. We'll cover everything from setting up your game to understanding the winning hands. Get ready to roll the dice and discover a new favorite game that's both engaging and easy to learn, perfect for any gathering. Setting up Mahjong with dice is wonderfully straightforward. Each player will need 6 standard 6-sided dice. You'll want to gather around a table, just like you would for a regular game of Mahjong, ensuring everyone has enough space to roll. To begin, one player is chosen as the dealer, perhaps by rolling a single die, with the highest roll winning. Before the first roll, it's also a good idea to agree on the scoring rules you'll use, making sure everyone understands how points are awarded. Playing a round involves strategic rolling and careful hand formation. On your turn, you'll roll all 6 of your dice at once. The goal is to form specific combinations. Pungs are 3 identical numbers, and kongs are 4 identical numbers. You can also create chows, which are 3 consecutive numbers of the same color, like a 1, 2, and 3. The ultimate objective is to assemble a winning hand, typically consisting of 4 sets and 1 pair, totaling 14 points. Scoring in Mahjong with dice rewards clever play and strong hands. A standard winning hand is comprised of 4 sets and 1 pair, totaling 14 dice faces. Points are typically awarded based on the specific combinations you've formed. For instance, pungs of higher numbers or special sets might earn more. Unique hands, such as having all pungs, can significantly boost your score. The player who successfully completes and declares a valid winning hand first is the victor of that round, accumulating points towards the overall game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.